In this video, I'll show how to use the Casio FX ES Plus calculator series to quickly solve a system of linear equations with two unknowns. We'll be solving this system. First, let's navigate to the equation solver menu. Press Mode, then select 5 for equation. 1 is for linear equations in two unknowns, 2 is for linear equations in three unknowns, 3 is for quadratic equations, and 4 is for cubic equations. Since we're solving a linear system with two variables x and y, select 1. The calculator now displays a matrix structure to input the coefficients. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant on the right-hand side. For the first equation, press 3 equals, 5 equals, and on the right side, 23 equals. For the second equation, 2 equals. Remember, minus y is the same thing as minus 1y, so input minus 1 equals. And the right side, 11 equals. Once all the values are currently entered, press equals. The calculator shows x equals 6. Press equals once more. The calculator shows y equals 1. So the unique equation to the system is x equals 6 and y equals 1. To clear the equation solver and return to regular computation, press Mode, then 1. And that's it. We've successfully solved a system of linear equations using the equation mode on the Casio FX ES Plus calculator. Thanks for watching.